How do I sort a list of dictionaries by a value of the dictionary? How do I sort a list of dictionaries by a specific key's value? Given. When sorted by name, it should become
The sorted function takes a key equals parameter. Alternatively, you can use operator.itemGetter instead of defining the function yourself. For completeness, add reverse equals true to sort in descending order.
To sort the list of dictionaries by key equals name. To sort the list of dictionaries by key equals age.
My underscore list will now be what you want. Or better. Since Python 2.4, there's a key argument is both more efficient and neater. The lambda is, emo, easier to understand than operator.itemGetter, but your mileage may vary.
If you want to sort the list by multiple keys, you can do the following. It is rather hackish, since it relies on converting the values into a single string representation for comparison, but it works as expected for numbers including negative ones, although you will need to format your string appropriately with zero paddings if you are using numbers.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.